just bought a Venus Flytrap and I'm about to feed him a fly. So it's like 12:30 in the morning and I got my Venus Flytrap today and I just really want to feed it, and I just happened to have a fly that fell off my fly trap recently, right there. So kind of perfect time to do this. So I'm excited. Let's do it. Okay, here is my Venus flytrap. I have it next to a window. Apparently you're supposed to give them good sunlight, a good 10 hours or so. So this is a pretty good window for that. And you're supposed to keep the soil moist at all times. So there's water about maybe a third the way up is what I've heard is best for them. And you're also supposed to prune them. I took out most of the dead, like this, the black ones. I guess there's still a few in there I gotta take out and prune. But you know, make sure it's all nice in there. Okay, anyway, look at these. I think this is the one I'm gonna feed. I believe it's all one plant. I only need about like one fly a week. So that one has the most open mouth, I guess you could call it. So I'm gonna put the fly in that one. And hopefully the fly is of its liking to its taste. Okay, here's the fly. Again, fell off my trap. Okay, pick him up. Oh, just pulled off a leg. Pulled off another leg. Maybe this fly is older than I thought. Let's just pick it up by the body, shall we? Okay. Come on. Get in there. Oh, it's closing. Oh no. It's not getting the fly. Son of a gun, I messed up. Oh man. Fly is not in there. Dang, I really messed that up. Let's try with the other one, shall we? See if I can just drop it right in there. Right on it. There's my fish behind there. Dang, it works. It's alive. Anyone ever see Little Shop of Horrors? Feed me, Seymour. Something like that. Dang, he ate the fly. And I'm sorry for totally messing with you, dude. You're like, dude, just played with my heart. You gave me a fly and took it away. Awesome. Well, like I said, I'm pretty sure this is just one plant, so it's not like he got totally screwed. I think he still gets the same nutrients that that guy gets. Wow, these are amazing carnivorous plants. Isn't that nuts? When I first heard of a Venus flytrap, I was like, no, you're kidding me. Plant that has a mouth that closes on animals and eats them? No. Holy crap, I am so freaking happy and excited. I've wanted one of these for a while. Alright, there you have it. A Venus flytrap eating a fly. That was pretty sweet. So if I were to give this plant a review, as I tend to do review videos, I would give it a... It did its job. I mean, I'm sure there's better looking ones. I got this one for $10 at $5 at Walmart. It's pretty cheap. So for the value for a cool freaking carnivorous plant that eats flies, and you just saw it worked. I put the fly in, it ate it. One I kind of screwed over. I'm giving this plant a 10 out of 10. Nature, baby, nature. All right. Well, thanks for joining. I do a lot of different review videos. I am passionate about golf, so I do have quite a few golf ones, but I'm gonna start doing more different types of review videos. This one was more for fun. I just wanted to see a fly get eaten by a Venus flytrap, but as far as a review goes, a 10. That is sweet. And we got to see 2 of them close, except one just didn't get the fly. Poor guy. That rhymed. All right, like the video, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.